Once your wheel is ready for use, you want to make sure that your work area is clear and clean of any obstructive items. You want to have a surface that is easy for you to work on. You will also need some water. So grab any bowl that can have dirty water in it and just put some clean water in it. Then you also want to think about what you're wearing. You want to make sure that you have on some old clothes that can get dirty, because throwing on a wheel can create some good mess. If you don't have any old clothes you can put on, you can wear the apron that is included in your kit. And remember, think like a potter. You are learning this skill, and not everybody did this the first time and found success. You will need to be patient with yourself and patient with the clay. Work slowly, and remember that mistakes happen, and every time you do this, you will find something that works better for you and throwing will become easier.